Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from Fiama Canada, and today we're going to be learning about how to change a filter on the Jura E6. What you're going to need to change the filter on the Jura E6 is the Clara Smart filter. They come individually or in 3-packs. And pro tip, you're going to want to get one receptacle or container to catch spent water as the filter is being rinsed. You'll know it's time to change the filter when the symbol in the center bottom of your screen shows a red filter. In order to start that, you're going to enter the maintenance menu, select change the filter. At this point, you're going to remove your water tank, separate your old filter from its extension. Then what you're going to do is take your new filter, open it up, and rinse it for 30 seconds under your tap. The reason we recommend doing this is because it's a lot easier for your machine to pull water through a pre-rinse filter than a dry one. At this stage, you're going to connect your new filter to your filter extension and put it back into the machine. You'll now see an indication that says open switch. The switch on the top right corner of the machine needs to be open. Put your receptacle underneath your frother. The machine will now rinse the filter thoroughly. Once that process is done, it'll say to you close switch. You'll then close the switch and you'll have an indication saying filter change complete. You've now changed the filter. Thanks for watching how to change the filter on your Jura E6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiama_Canada for some fun and cool content, and check out our website www.fiama.ca for all your maintenance and cleaning product needs.